We're now looking at Cobridge traffic lights, and we're going to turn right back towards the test centre. So first of all, be very careful not to go over to the right too early, because there is a box that lets you turn right into that road where the lorry is back now. So just to point that out to you, there's a box that you really don't want to get into if you're turning right at the traffic lights. Okay, once you've passed that, you've got some chevrons. If you notice, the line around them is broken, so it is fine to go into that as long as it's safe to do so to get into your next right lane. And then you've got one more time to get over into the right hand lane for actually going right at the lights, and that point is here. Okay, so now we're in the right hand lane ready to turn right. So if you look over to the left hand side, you will see there's like a filter lane. Now this lane is controlled by the traffic lights, but it also has a giveaway line here, which we will come back to for the reason in a little second. So waiting to turn right, very busy set of lights, and a very common right turn, especially coming back to the test centre. So these vehicles in the middle, they're waiting to turn right there. When they get a gap, away they go. So it's the black and the red one. Okay, and our traffic lights will be turning green, allowing the white car to pull forward and the green vehicle to pull forward into what they call near side to near side, turning right. So the white car doesn't really get the opportunity to go, but the green vehicle does. So if we go back to that give way marking, so the vehicles turning left do have a green light, but when the green vehicle goes, they have to wait because of the give way. Give way means you can't go if it's not clear. Okay, so back to the white vehicle waiting to turn right. There isn't really an opportunity to go until the lights change, and then you turn in, making sure you keep to the left side of the A53. So we're going to leave this video running so you can use this to recap any driving lessons that you may have had, so you understand how this junction works. Again, it's a great opportunity to see this from around about 300 foot up, so you can see the way the actual vehicles move. Hope you find this helpful, and good luck.